In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually back up WhatsApp messages and how to restore them. So be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by clicking on Settings and Chats. Now, as you can see, there's an option to back up your chat. All you really have to do is click on Backup Now. Now, if you want to include videos, you can also click that as well. But I don't want to include my videos, so I'm just going to click on Backup Now. Now, as you may or may not know, if you delete an app, usually most of its data does not actually come back. But the good thing with WhatsApp is that if you actually delete the app, if you re-download the app, it'll give you the option to restore it from iCloud. That's really all there is to it to back up and restore chats. So just to reiterate how to restore chats, if you delete the app and re-download it, it will automatically give you an option to restore from iCloud. But be sure to do it right away, because it won't give you the option later. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.